A model for Holuhraun lava flow based on the moderate spatial resolution infrared satellite that's already published in remote sensing. And second, thermal model with surface is possible to be applied in volcanoes around the world, especially when the evasive activity occurred using different infrared datasets. This is already submitted in peer-review proceeding article about Agung eruption in December 2017. And now we're preparing the second paper about the hyperspectral for mapping surface mineral and volcanic product using SMCC. Also, we're currently testing another algorithm beside SMCC for hyperspectral and mixing technique. This is either for third paper or this one, integrating with airborne LiDAR, airborne SAR to get 3D model of Holuhraun color composite abundance and derive surface roughness from LiDAR for. Yeah, also this is my for third paper. Tak piring.
Thank you, Bart. Any questions?
I was wondering what you call background in your classification. What mineralogy? Would that be basalt and basalt sand and different things? So what do you think that background class encompasses?
That background is shadows, like here. Especially this background is mostly because after extracting the N member, actually we have 15 N member, but actually we got 16. The 16 one is shadow, mostly the black area that covered whole image. So it's like shadow things. So we put
but in that image there's a lot of shadow then.
Yeah.
Like.
Yeah, of course, not like real shadow. Might be basalt or anything else. But this is I just put background because of basalt also black, like in shadow.
Yeah.
So might be.
So it's dark surface.
Yeah, dark surface. Yeah.
Thank you. Could you clarify again why you went for 15 end members? Was it determined, I think you said in the end it was determined by the algorithm or by the approach, or did you make a conscious decision?
So we decided to have 15 end member because we try first with 5, 10, 15, 13 and up to 50. So we decide to have better result in 15 because if we go further like 50, algorithm will find everything here that will fit into 50 things. So it's like a noisy signal that we could get there.
So you tested basically.
Yeah.
Thank you.
It's not a question. Maybe you say you have computational issues.
Yes.
Because the data is heavy, of
Yeah.
course. And I was just thinking that because NERC acquired these data sets, they are located on CEDA.
Yep.
And CEDA allows you to use high performance computing facility called Jasmine.
Yeah.
So you actually probably have just a free pass to use these computers because the data is already stored at CEDA.
Yeah.
So I think you might have options there to actually get more computer power.
Yeah.
Without having to necessarily pay for it because it's through the NERC already.
I actually asked for them for this one to have a cloud computing thing.
Yeah.
But the problem is they just because their format is built and they cannot move to another format after the processing.
Yeah.
So it's I'm using mostly like a split between build and other format in order to make this algorithm work.
Yeah.
So it's like if I process to CEDA, so I cannot process to SMCC algorithm.
No, but I think you couldn't use Jasmine where you then can convert it.
Yeah, I haven't used, but I will try
I
it.
think they're usually very helpful.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
Thanks for advice.
More questions? Okay, then we say this concluded and we go to the second step. Thank you for attending, everyone. Okay, this went very well, wasn't it? Yeah, I think we turn it off now here.
Yeah.
I don't want to have any strange things